It was an easy decision after we had done a lot of our homework. Initially, when we decided to build a new home, the first thing you do is you go and see new homes from display homes, because we liked a bit of one home and a bit of another home, but it just didn't make sense the way we wanted the home to be built.
It was very detailed. It was a very step-by-step process. Nothing we asked of Destination Living was a problem.
We started with a blank piece of paper, and I recall the designer said to us, okay, now picture yourself walking into the home. What's the first thing you want to see? And where do you want to sit? And where do you want to entertain? And from there, he was conceptualizing our ideas and trying to come up with some three-dimensional model and trying to make us picture the home. And we could see exactly what we were getting. Yeah, everything just functions well. It's the way you can just sum it up. It's a functional home. They're experts in their field, just superior customer service.
And the upstairs, the kids like it because their friends come over and the upstairs is theirs.
Looking back now, the home's been built and we're now living in the home, I still wouldn't change a thing. And that's what surprises a lot of people when they say, well, obviously you made some mistakes, what would you correct? And I still can't find a fault. We got the right product at the end because we were satisfied right from the beginning.